Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money online by partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services. In essence, you become a virtual salesperson, earning a commission for every sale or lead you generate through your unique affiliate link. Imagine recommending a product you love to your friends, family, or followers, and then earning a commission for every purchase they make. That's the basic idea behind affiliate marketing. You are connecting businesses with potential customers and getting rewarded for successful referrals. The key players in this game are the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant provides you with marketing materials and a special tracking link. You then share this link with your audience through your website, blog, social media, or email list. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Your primary focus is driving traffic to your affiliate links and convincing your audience to make a purchase. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is choosing a niche. Your niche represents your area of focus, the specific market segment you'll target with your promotions. Selecting the right niche is crucial, as it determines the products you'll promote and the audience you'll engage with. When choosing a niche, consider your interests, passions, and expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? What topics do you enjoy researching and discussing? It's essential to choose a niche that genuinely excites you because your enthusiasm will shine through in your content. Once you've identified a niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen market. Numerous affiliate networks and programs cater to various industries and interests. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. When evaluating affiliate programs, consider factors like commission rates, cookie duration, brand reputation, and the quality of the products or services offered. Remember, you're associating your brand with these companies, so choose wisely. With your niche and affiliate program selected, it's time to build your promotional platform. Think of this as your online storefront, the space where you'll showcase your affiliate links and engage with your target audience. A website or blog serves as an excellent foundation for your affiliate marketing efforts. It provides a central hub where you can publish informative content, product reviews, and comparison articles, all strategically embedded with your affiliate links. In addition to a website, consider leveraging the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest offer vast audiences and opportunities for targeted advertising. Create engaging profiles, share valuable content, and interact with your followers to build a loyal community. Another powerful tool in your affiliate marketing arsenal is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience, deliver targeted promotions, and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Offer valuable incentives like free ebooks or exclusive discounts to encourage subscriptions. Section 4. Content is king. Creating engaging promotions. Content is the lifeblood of successful affiliate marketing. Creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience is paramount. Remember, you're not just trying to sell products, you're building trust and establishing yourself as a reliable source of information. Product reviews are a cornerstone of affiliate marketing content. When writing reviews, be honest, thorough, and objective. Highlight both the pros and cons of the product, and provide your genuine opinion based on your experience or research. Comparison articles are another effective content format. Pit two or more similar products against each other, highlighting their key features, differences, and pricing. This helps your audience make informed purchasing decisions while subtly promoting your affiliate links. Don't be afraid to get creative with your content. Experiment with different formats like tutorials, case studies, infographics, and videos. The more engaging and informative your content, the more likely it is to resonate with your audience and drive conversions. Section 5. Driving traffic and making conversions. Driving traffic to your content is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to attract visitors. Engage with your audience through comments, forums, and social media platforms to build a community around your content. Once you have traffic, focus on optimizing your content for conversions. Use clear and compelling calls to action, and make sure your affiliate links are easily accessible. A/B test different elements of your content to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the goal is to turn visitors into loyal customers who trust your recommendations. Section 6. Long-term success and avoiding pitfalls. Achieving long-term success in affiliate marketing requires consistency, adaptability, and a focus on building relationships. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously refine your strategies based on performance data. Avoid common pitfalls such as promoting low-quality products, neglecting audience engagement, or relying too heavily on a single traffic source. Diversify your income streams and always prioritize providing value to your audience. Building a sustainable affiliate marketing business takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve lasting success. Keep learning, stay patient, and never lose sight of your goals.